Hey everyone, this is Tim Manfro, aka Mortgage Manfro, and this is Wednesday Wins in Real Estate, where we spread positivity in the real estate industry. Today I want to talk to you guys about a very special client. She came to me as a referral from her father, which was actually one of my first clients I ever closed a loan for. We stayed in contact and worked with him multiple times. He reached out, said his daughter was looking to purchase in the next 6 months. We have a perfect loan program for that, which is the roadmap to homeownership, which is actually a soft credit pull. So we gathered all their documents. They were actually very well qualified for an F.H.A. loan. We went over all their options, and they said they would reach out in the next couple months to get things started. Well, right before Christmas, they had reached out urgently saying that house came on the market. It's a perfect house. It's a little bit above what they got pre-approved for, but if they can make it work, they want to submit an offer. So during the holidays, we jumped into it. We pushed forward through a pre-approval. We got the price up a little bit, and they were able to submit an offer on the first try. They got their offer accepted. Went through the escrow process. It was very smooth, and we actually just closed yesterday. And is a very special moment for us and for the clients. So wanted to share that with you guys and let you know that positive things are happening in the real estate industry. Roadmap to homeownership. Thank you so much. It's Tim Manfro, aka Mortgage Manfro. Share this with someone that needs positivity in their lives.